Roast. Roast. I love it when Mom roasts chickens for dinner. Roast. Bake. 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 I prefer bake my own bread rather than buy it. Bake. Stir. 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 I need a teaspoon to stir my tea. I need a teaspoon to stir my tea. Slice. 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 My mom asks me to slice the carrots for soup. Slice. Break. 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 Can you break an egg with one hand? I cannot. Break. Melt. 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 You have to melt the chocolate to make a cake. You have to melt the chocolate to make a cake. Spread. 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 I request the chef to spread mushrooms on my pizza. Spread. Layer. 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 You need to layer the cake with 6 colored sponges to make a rainbow cake. Roll out. Roll out. She rolls out the pastry on a flat surface. Roll out. Fry. 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 You have to deep fry potatoes to make the best fries. Fry. Peel. 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 Potatoes taste more delicious if you peel them. Peel. Mix. 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 I mix chocolate and vanilla flavors for my cake. Mix. Whip. 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 My mom can easily whip up eggs into cream. Whip. Sauté. 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 Don't overcrowd your pan when you sauté. Sauté. Taste. 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 Always taste the food before you serve it. Taste. Cut. 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 Cut the meat against the grain to make it juicy. Cut. Chop. 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 Chop the carrots up into small pieces. Chop. Grate. 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 Can you grate the cheese for my pizza topping? Grate. Boil. 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 You need to boil the water first before putting in the spaghetti. Boil. Steam. 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 You should steam the carrots until they are just beginning to be tender. Steam. Pinch. 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 Please pinch little salt into the soup. Pinch. 4 4 4 Be careful when you pour the milk, it is expensive. Barbecue 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 If the weather is fine, we'll barbecue in the ranch. Barbecue weigh 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 Please weigh out of 10 pounds of apples. Weigh